Okay, guys, how we doing? This is Jay, and this is actually my first time and my first video, and at the same time we're gonna create a channel. So hopefully everything goes well. Go here in the corner. We're gonna go to settings and go to add or manage your channel. All right, create a channel. Now we're gonna put let's put JP Ponier. There we go, J Ponier. All right, guys. Next. See, there you go. This is how we're gonna do it. Now, the websites I'm gonna use, it's Canvas. Okay. Let's see if we can create a design and channel art. We're gonna play with that right now. Okay. And we're gonna do this for free because you pay the monthly option, you get more features, but you know, later on it could be let's try the trial one first, you know. So let's pull. Okay, there we go. Real easy, guys, easy. Now all we gotta do is save it, so you guys can see. Let's allow it. Okay, and there you have it. Okay, pretty cool, right? So let's minimize it and go back. Go back home. Customize channel. Actually, I did this wrong. There we go. Customize channel. We can go ahead and do the channel art. All right, it's taking me back from the beginning. Bear with me, guys, bear with me. This is my first time, so it may take a little time here, but we'll get it. We will get it together. There you go, banner. That's what I was looking for. Okay, so recent. There we go. See, guys, this is what we need. Okay. All right. Now the logo. Let's go back. Channel logo. Channel. There we go. And these are our options. You see, guys? That way we can find something similar that we picked for the channel art, and that will probably work for us, you know. Something similar. See, the one with the crown that says Pro, you gotta pay for that service, so we don't want that. We're just doing the trial, and hopefully this looks pretty good. Let's try this one. Okay, we'll type J. Did it type or I just erase it? Okay, what about here? Okay, let's go back. Let's try this again. There we go. And we can delete this one here. Don't need it. And there you have it, guys. Let's download. It's not gonna be a video, it's just a PNG, regular size. And there you go. Now let's go back, customize channel, and this is the logo we're gonna work on. Okay, there you go, guys. You can always center this. I think you can or not. No, it's already there. But look at that, it's already there, permanent. Now let's go back. There we have it. And let's view the channel. This may be published in a little bit, so give YouTube a little more time. But it should be it should be published sometime few 10-15 minutes. But that's how you do it, guys. Now let's go to the studio. All right, now by the way, you can use Pixelmator Pro for a professional image. You know, once your channel is growing, you can use this, guys. So, you know, very professional. Do your own logo name. Pretty cool. And as well, it has a free trial, or you can buy it and open a lot of features. You got the Pro version, the Pixelmator Photo for your iPhone, and as well iOS version for your iPad. And there you have it, guys. That's how you do it. Now on this, it may take a little time to be published, but you know, your channel name, you gotta work on you got to verify all this. It takes a little time. Not gonna do it in this video. Upload your defaults, takes a little time. But this is just a quick video, guys, so you guys can do open your channel and get things rolling. Upload on YouTube. Maybe you can be a big YouTuber one day, you know? You never know. You'll never know, guys. So let's go back on the channel. I want to show you guys if the channel is already... Nope. It may take some time, but I want to show you the banner. That's what I want to show you, but I don't see it. I don't see it, guys. Yep. It may take a little time, but that's how I do it. Canvas and Pixelmator. I'll leave the link down in my description. If you guys are interested, go for it, you know. It's not that hard. So thank you guys for joining me, and please like and subscribe. Like I said, this is my first video, first time creating a channel with you guys, so I hope you guys enjoy this little 8, or I don't know how long I was here, but 9-10 minutes. I'm very appreciate that you guys are watching this. Thank you guys very much. You have a great one and be safe. I'll see you on the next video. This is JP. Thank you.